to clean.
As I have previously indicated, I have been attempting to create a habitat suitable for my pet robotic vacuum, Rosie. An important first step is teaching Rosie the boundaries of her habitat.
Stop. Turn. Come back. Come back. Good girl. Come on. Keep going. Okay, turn. Turn. Good girl.
Due to her mouse-like nature, she likes to run merrily along the baseboards and under the edges of the cabinets. That is simply her nature, and it gives her great joy. Robotic vacuums also like to scurry under low furniture playfully every now and then. And so such areas should be made available to them. But beware, as they like to nip at power cords from time to time and thus might get an unpleasant shock. Then it's off to the sofa to play a while. That is her favorite private space, and she returns there often. She remembers there was an iPhone cable here previously, and she wants to play with it. She also tries to sneak off to the bar from time to time if nobody is watching. Almost nothing gives her more pleasure than rounding the legs of an X-legged table. She would do this all day if I let her.